Hi, I'm Kiran Modi, founder of Udayan Care, an NGO in India. It gives me great pleasure to see the fruition of the previous three BICONs started from the year 2014 till date, three BICONs. When we started in 2014, it was with a desire to be able to develop a platform that made possible for researchers, practitioners, academics, government officials to come together and discuss, debate, and deliberate on all the issues related to family strengthening and alternative care for children without parental care. It's a matter of great pride to see this fruition of this platform now develop into an Asian platform with the leading organizations of the world joining hands: Family for Every Child, Lumos, Open Homes, and then SOS Children's Villages, Better Care Network, Save the Children, and the like. And we, in the past also, many care levers and practicing organizations, they came together and shared their practices, and the suggestions, the recommendations that came forward, it really helped South Asia as a region. I feel really convinced that this time again, with the leading organizations joining hands and putting this platform before the Asian community, we are going to be able to come up with many recommendations, which is going to be a way forward for the alternative care space in Asia. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Diksha Thapa, a social worker in Kathmandu, Nepal. Please join me and many young people across Asia as we share our voice as care experience, adding our lived experiences to inform policymakers and share valuable lights on the importance of connection to family, community, and opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tessa Baudry, and I'm the Regional Director Asia for Open Homes for Children. We are an international organization working on care reform around the globe, and our mission is to ensure that all children can grow up in loving families. I'm very pleased to announce the BICON. This time that it will take place virtually. We have organized it together with several international organizations, and this time it will be Asia-wide. But the best part, I think, is that we have had involvement from young people who have experienced care themselves, who have informed us, supported us, and influenced us on making sure that we get the right agenda that makes sense to them and makes sense to us practitioners. And we're very excited. So please come and join us. See you there.
Hello, I'm Mara Kavanagh, Head of Partnerships and Learning at Lumos. Lumos is an international NGO founded by the author J.K. Rowling. Alongside governments and civil society partners, we support the transformation of care systems, building global expertise and capacity, and work to ensure every child's right to grow up in a loving family. The COVID-19 pandemic has exposed dangerous weaknesses in child protection systems around the world. It has placed more children than ever at risk of entering care, and it has highlighted the unnecessary use of institutional care. The fourth BICON is a much-needed opportunity to share learning from responses to the pandemic in Asia, to spotlight innovative and promising practices in care reform across the region, and to strengthen collaboration and consensus amongst practitioners, policymakers, and young people with lived experience of care. We are delighted to join forces with partners in the BICON family to host this year's virtual conference, and we look forward to welcoming you.
Namaste, I'm Anju Pun, Country Director of Forget Me Not. Please join us at the 4th BICON as we share learnings, progress and roadmaps exploring alternative care for children across Asia. We look forward to your attendance and input. Thank you.
Hello, I am Rajiv Kumar, working with SOS Children Village International as Director Program for Asia region. SOS Children Village International is working for children who have lost parental care or at the risk of losing parental care globally in 135 countries. I am here to invite you all for 4th BICON, and there will be experts, practitioners, as well as different stakeholders from government and other sectors to discuss the issues, challenges, and solutions around the issues of children without parental care. So we invite you to join this BICON. We will be happy to host you there. We look forward to see you there soon.
Hello and welcome. My name is Rebecca Smith and I'm a Senior Child Protection Advisor for Save the Children. Founded in 1919 and currently operating in 117 countries in both humanitarian and development context, Save the Children has been a leader in promoting children's rights for over a century. We've been working on issues related to alternative care, family tracing and reunification and deinstitutionalization since the Rwandan genocide and due to the HIV/AIDS epidemic. This work has included both policy work as well as supporting many countries in reforming their child care systems from a system that focuses primarily on institutional care to one that supports children in their families and communities. We start by determining why children are institutionalized in that context. Often this is related to poverty, access to education, or stigma and discrimination. By addressing the root causes to institutionalization, we are able to help keep children in safe family environments. We work with governments to improve their ability to regulate childcare institutions, as well as strengthening the social welfare workforce. We also work to strengthen alternative care, such as supporting kinship care, foster carers, and improving domestic adoption options. For direct response, we work on improving the ability of social workers and childcare professionals to provide direct case management with services and support to at-risk children, as well as developing referral and response mechanisms. In our prevention work, we focus on parenting programs, connecting to social protection and livelihoods, as well as training for police, hospital staff, and others on what to do if a child is abandoned, and focusing on our work with our early childhood development colleagues on safety and security at home. Some of the countries in which we've done significant work related to children without appropriate care in Asia include Bangladesh, Cambodia, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. BICON is about connecting children and young people and practitioners to policymakers and governments to move the care agenda forward. Since the UN guidelines for the alternative care of children was written in 2009, we've made so much progress, but we still have a long way to go to support children and young people in safe and loving families. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lopa Bhattacharjee, and I work as the Senior Program Advisor in Family for Every Child. I have more than 20 years of experience on working in India, South Asia, and globally on issues related to violence against children and child protection and care. Family for Every Child is a diverse global alliance of 40 local civil society organizations in 36 countries. Our goals are to prevent family separation, strengthening families, ensuring high quality alternative care when needed, and protecting children outside of any care. As part of the organizing group of BICON 2021, I'm very honored and excited to invite you to Asia's largest event focused on strengthening alternative care for children and preventing family separation. Please do join us and actively participate in a wide range of sessions with specialists, practitioners, government officials, and UN representatives. What is, however, most significant in this event is that young people with lived experience are not only involved in co-organizing this event, but they will be heard and seen leading on sessions as experts on this topic. So please do not miss this opportunity. See you there. Thank you.